Well, I've got another update. I'm back again. The wind settled down. And I came back. I ended up getting this relay in the jet ski. I think I got something going on with this switch here. So I've got a hold. Let's see. Is that a start or a run? So it's a start. I don't know. I need to take it apart and see what's up. I took the cover, but I didn't take the actual switch apart, the little rubber cover, because I have to hold that down and jump it still with my little jumper here. But I don't have any oil to mix with fuel, so this is just running on gas here. So I'm gonna give it a couple squirts and see if I can record myself doing it. Let's see, get some more shitty footage. Let's see, maybe here. Oh man, that ain't gonna work. Alright, so I got it about half-ass rigged up on my little swivel chair here. But try to fire it up again. See what happens. Fire in a hole. No power. Never mind. Still don't start with the switch. Gotta jump it. Didn't get it in time. It doesn't start unless you hold it down. Just making some noise. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. I was just off some squirts of fuel there. I do just plan on running mixed fuel in this. I don't want to have the mixture. I don't know. We'll see. But man, that thing sounds healthy. Need to go over the throttle cable and the kill switch. It kills it. I need to take that switch apart. Might not be making contact. So I'm gonna pull this apart. Man, thing sounded pretty nasty. Alright, well, that's all I wanted to do today. Make sure I could get it turned over and it pops off. Yeah. I can leave status. Okay, still need to work on some lights for that. I'm working on my switches. I'm probably just gonna end up getting new sockets. I don't wanna, have some old stuck sockets. I'm doing all this work. I'm gonna just go back with new sockets. So yeah, I'm working on my diagrams still for my lighting. But geez, what a beautiful day. It was just 60-mile-an-hour winds and dirt everywhere. Now look at it. Beautiful. Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna get some oil to mix or some pre-mix fuel so I can run and test and tune. and get this switch figured out and get this all cleaned up, my bars, get all this junk off of it, see if I can get that battery wired in. I left this on the tender, and when I came back, sucker was boiling. So it's actually still boiling. You probably can't hear it, but see, I don't have my multimeter, or I would I don't want to hook up that probe to it. So yeah, just leave the tender off, and yeah, that's it for today. That's my update.